Howdy, and welcome to Broken Tool Garage. If you've been following along over the last couple weeks, you know I've been working on my '89 Mustang 5.0 JYM or Junkyard Mustang. So what I started out with was the brakes, and I've done my strut bushings. I showed you how to do that, put the poly bushings in there. I've changed my thermostat out. This week I'm going to be working on that pesky coil connector that doesn't lock the power wire in for the coil, so it end up getting weak spark because that connection's not good. Then I'm going to go for a test drive and take you along with me. So let's just get right to it. Okay, that is back on. Now this is a cold start, and I do have one lifter that likes to bleed down just a little bit, but it pumps back up pretty quick, so you're probably going to hear that. Alright, cold start, I got that plugged in. Let's see how it works. Alright, like I said, you probably heard that lifter right there, but it pumped up and it's good, no more valve train noise. When I rebuild the engine, I think what I want to do is go in and probably pull all my lifters apart, clean them real good, because it probably has a little bit of dirt up underneath that little relief, little oil port or whatever you call it in there, right? So I'll just clean them out real good and then they'll be good to go. Alright, so that'll sum this one up right here. We're just going to get right into the fun stuff, the test drives.